having a flexible work schedule. I have a daughter and I want to be an active father. HUI lets me, do the things that I need to do.
What's really nice about HUI, because we have so many machines and we have the flexibility that if they communicate ahead of time, we can pretty much work with anybody's schedule.
One of the things I appreciate that HUI has helped me do is they have allowed me flexible break times so that I can take my kids to school and pick them up. I get out at 3 o'clock and I drive straight there and pick them up.
We have other people that can't work strictly on first shift, but can't work strictly on weekends either. So we cross over between first shift and weekend shift.
In my case, I do 8 hours, five days. But if one week I wanted to do 4 days, 10 hours, and I wanted to have Friday off, I could. Let's say you have something to do on that Friday and you want to take like a half a day. You don't even have to take a vacation. All you need to do is like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. You can work an extra hour.
Past employers, something was going on. They're like, okay, well, either you'll just be here and sorry, or do you want to take a check on our attendance policy?
As long as we know ahead of time and we can plan for it, we can work with you on your schedule.